Hey there, friends, and welcome back to our Grow Your List series. This is number 6 in the series. I'm Rebecca Austin, and today we're diving into a crucial topic, which is optimizing your lead magnet for maximum impact. You've already created a great lead magnet, but now it's time to make it work even harder for you. In this video, I'll walk you through some key strategies to enhance your lead magnet's performance, from fine-tuning the headline to adding a strong call to action. These small tweaks can lead to a big difference and big changes in how your audience engages with your content and ultimately converts. So are you ready? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about headlines. Your headline is the very first thing your audience sees, so it's got to be strong, specific, and enticing. A generic headline like "Boost Your Sales" doesn't spark as much interest as something more specific like "5 Proven Steps to Double Your Sales in 30 Days." Now that gives a clear promise and sets an expectation. A great way to optimize your headline is to use something called power words. And we do power words to evoke emotion. So those would be things like proven, ultimate, or essential. Also, focus on the benefit your audience will gain. If possible, test different headlines to see which one generates more conversions. A simple change here can make a massive difference. And here's a bonus tip for you. Don't start off your lead magnet by creating the headline. Just because the headline is the first thing that your audience sees, typically it's the last thing that you create when you're putting your lead magnet together. And we do that because now we have your whole lead magnet compiled and we have all the information we need to then craft a compelling, perfect headline. Next, let's talk about adding visual elements. Hey, let's face it, we as humans, for the most part, are visual creatures, and a compelling visual can instantly boost the appeal of your lead magnet. Whether it's your graphics, maybe a chart, infographic, or high-quality images, adding visuals not only breaks up the text if you're using a text lead magnet, but also reinforces your image. And graphics and visual elements are equally important in video. Make sure your visuals align with your brand's style and color scheme to create a cohesive look. And here's a quick tip. Optimize these visuals for quick loading times. A slow lead magnet can frustrate your audience and lead to drop-offs. And that is a big one when it comes to uploading things into your software, your website, so that deliverability is smooth. Because remember, we always talk about the client journey and how important that we need to pay attention to each step of that client journey so that it's a smooth and positive experience. All right, now let's talk about readability. Even if you're doing a video, readability is very important. So even if your lead magnet is packed with valuable information, it won't get read if it looks overwhelming. The key is to make your content easy to skim. Break it up into short paragraphs, use bullet points, and include subheadings to guide the reader. And if you're doing a video lead magnet, you still probably want to have some kind of written material that goes with that video. So you'll follow these same tips with the written supplement that goes with any video that you're doing for your lead magnet. It's especially important if the format of your lead magnet is in written form, like your ebooks or your checklists. Highlight points with bold text or call-out boxes to draw the reader's attention to the most important information. When your lead magnet is well-structured and visually engaging, your audience is more likely to consume the content and take action. Your lead magnet isn't complete without a strong call to action. The whole point of your lead magnet is to guide your audience to the next step in their journey with you. Whether it's joining another webinar, scheduling a call, diving into more of your content, purchasing your offer, your call to action should be clear, actionable, and placed in a prominent spot. meaning that it's very easy for them to find and know what they're supposed to be doing next. It's also helpful to use actionable language in your CTA, like get started now or claim your free strategy call. But just buy now or click here or learn more typically isn't going to grab their attention as much as something that's a little more specific. And don't be afraid to test different CTAs to find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, a lead magnet without a clear invitation is a missed opportunity. Lastly, optimization is an ongoing process. To get the best results, you need to continually test different elements of your lead magnet, like headlines, your visuals and CTAs, running A/B split tests, or trying different things to see which versions perform better, and then track metrics like conversion rates and engagements. So you may have heard me say this before, but I'm a big believer in looking at your data. The data is such an important piece because when we look at data, it gives us information that allows us to make important decisions in our business and also keeps us off that dreaded emotional roller coaster. The goal is to identify what's working and refine your lead magnet based on that data. Keep an open mind and be ready to make small tweaks that can lead to big improvements in your results. All right? So to recap, optimizing your lead magnet involves fine-tuning things like your headline, adding strong visuals, enhancing readability, including a clear call to action, and regularly testing to measure what works. By making these small but impactful changes, you can take your lead magnet from good to great and significantly boost conversions. Now, if you are ready to really boost your conversions, I invite you to schedule a discovery call with me and talk more about our coaching options, especially our signature conversion code coaching program, which goes really deep into specifically lead magnets. But remember, lead magnet is just one of the gears that drive your online business. We're focusing deeply on that in this series, but it's just one cog in the wheel, so to speak. We want to make sure that all of the gears are moving smoothly to really drive your business forward. So if you're interested in learning more about that, click on the link below this video and schedule a call with me, or visit our website to get more details about all of the different support options that we offer. So have a wonderful week. Be sure to take action in what you are learning here, because remember, action without implementation is just new ideas and it's not necessarily going to move you forward. So I encourage you to take at least one thing that you learned today, experiment in your lead magnets, and I can't wait to hear more about how it works for you.